Hey everyone, namaste. I hope you guys are doing fine, and if not, you'll be okay. So, today is Dear Diary day, and I don't have my laptop right now, so I'll be reading it from my phone. One second. Okay. So, today's diary entry is regarding my session with my therapist yesterday. Now, this is a big deal because my family doesn't know I go to therapy. I hope my family doesn't watch this because they don't know that I have a therapist. Okay. So, this is what I realized yesterday in the session. First thing, I learned to be positive about myself, and this is what my therapist made me realize, because when I was talking to her, after 10 minutes or so, something like that, yeah. After 10 minutes or something like that, she tells me that today, when we started the session, as in yesterday when we started the session, I told her, the first thing I told her were 5 positive things, like as in the 5 good things that I was able to do from, like in last 2 months, from last 2 months. So I forget English as soon as I start talking. I don't know, when I start recording videos, I'm just like, I feel as if I've never talked in English ever in my life. There's so many mistakes. I'm sorry for them. So, things that I learned in my therapy session yesterday. First thing that I learned that I have been positive about myself, and I don't want to use the word optimistic because that word sounds very close to fraud in the dictionary that is there in my head. So I avoid using optimistic as much as I can. I don't know why. So yeah, that's one thing. Second thing, I have been way more productive than I had expected myself to be. Yeah, so 2 months back, when the whole lockdown thing started, I came back home. I had this last session with my therapist on call, and I was very I don't know. Fuck it. I was very suicidal. So yeah, but then after that, now 2 months later, my therapist said that I'm doing great, and I agree because I have achieved a lot in past 2 months. So cheers to me. Third thing, I have started not being too hard on myself. Yes, I am someone who is very hard on herself, and it takes a lot for me to be easy on myself. As in, if I want to do something, I make sure that I do it and I reach the expectations that I had set for myself, which are very unrealistic. But then now I have learned to be more practical and more realistic, and my expectations are not so high, which helps me not being too hard on myself. And the fourth thing was, I learned yesterday that you don't have to take the blame or crap from anyone else only because you feel like they need to take it out on someone. Basically, I should stop being the one on the receiving end when it comes to negative behavior of others. Then the very last part, and a very important thing, that you do not have to equate your productivity with your self-esteem and your self-worth. You are worthy of love, and you are good enough even if you don't achieve a milestone every day. That's my favorite part. So towards the end of the session, my therapist told me that I was doing great, and like she said all the good things, and then she said that she sees that I'm trying to equate my productivity with my self-worth, as in I think that I'm good enough, or I have done very nice if I'm able to do these particular items in the list, or if I'm able to do this particular task. The day I'm not able to do those things, I feel like I have not been a good person, or I have not been productive that day, and I take it in a very negative manner. So my therapist said that it's not how it works. My worth has nothing to do with how much work I do in a day, in a week, in a month. So I want to tell you this to you guys, that people with depression and people with bipolar, they tend to at times be very very low on energy and very very low on motivation, and those people, they are how do I say it? They're kind of so fed up and they're kind of so low and numb that they do not care about even getting out of bed. They are just unable to do so. It's not like they don't want to, but nothing just matters, it's just like you're breathing and that's all. And I know this because I've lived through it and I know how difficult it is, and I'm very 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 proud of you if you are making a day progress step by step. Because there are days where I didn't even get out of my bed to drink water, and when I used to feel so dizzy because my body was completely dehydrated. Even these days, it's not like I'm highly motivated or I have a lot of energy to do a lot of things, but I do as much as I can. And to the ones who are staying with the families and things are tough for you because you can't tell them, I'm sorry that you have to go through it. But I'm here and I need you to know that you can always come and talk to me about whatever you want to, because you're not alone in this. And I know I'm not alone because I have you people, and you are not alone because you have me. So that's all for today's diary entry. But let me check if I've left something. No, done. Yes. So I hope this video reaches whoever needs to hear this, these 4 to 5 things that I learned yesterday. And that's all for today. See you next time, people. Take care, stay strong.